Patron Status module is where patrons can manage their library accounts. This includes viewing their items checked out, their checkout history, charges, managing their holds, and more. To access the Patron Status interface from the main researcher window, you will click the Status button. Alternatively, you can go to your library's Alexandria URL/status. The patron will need to log in using their Alexandria username and password. If you have not assigned login information, Alexandria will set the default username to match the patron's barcode and the password matching their last name. Once logged in, the patron will see their basic account information on the main status window, including the items they have checked out, charges they owe, and how many holds they currently have placed. The status menu to the left can be used to navigate to specific areas of the status module. Each section will have different information displayed and various functions that patrons are able to perform. We go into more detail about the different functions in our patron-facing training videos and recommend you sharing these with your patrons. Once the patron is finished, they will click Log Out, either in the top left of the window or within the session menu.